This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Do you know the way forms were created, circulated, and the way the responses of the form were noted has been made much easier due to the introduction of various web apps like Google Forms, SurveyMonkey, and more? Well, this course is about one such platform called Google Forms. This course has been created to help many of those people who don't know yet how to use these web apps to make their work much easier. In fact, we will create forms, polls, surveys in the course for better understanding. The course is very short and will be regularly updated with new content if necessary. So, what are you waiting for? Just enroll in the course to learn about Google Forms.